What you should know about online shopping. Online shopping has become a popular trend in recent years, with more and more people opting to purchase goods and services through the internet rather than traditional brick-and-mortar stores. The convenience of being able to shop from the comfort of one's own home, at any time of day or night, has made online shopping a preferred choice for many consumers. One of the biggest advantages of online shopping is the wide variety of products available at the click of a button. From clothing and electronics to groceries and household items, almost anything can be purchased online. This vast selection allows consumers to compare prices and find the best deals without having to visit multiple stores. Another benefit of online shopping is the ability to read reviews and ratings from other customers before making a purchase. This can help shoppers make informed decisions and avoid buying products that may not meet their expectations. However, online shopping does have its drawbacks. One of the main concerns is the risk of fraud and identity theft, as personal and financial information is often required to make a purchase online. Additionally, some consumers may prefer the experience of physically seeing and trying on products before buying them. Overall, online shopping offers convenience and variety, but it is important for consumers to be cautious and protect their personal information when making purchases online. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay in the loop for more exciting content, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Join our community, and you won't miss any of the great stuff we have coming your way. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, happy watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic content.